What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable keyboard auto replace in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down. Now here tap on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings, and here tap on auto replace. Now here you will see a on off button with language. So if you want to disable the keyboard auto replace, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable keyboard auto replace, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can enable or disable keyboard auto replace in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.